You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the scientific name. If you want to learn more Latin names, plant names in particular, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Stay tuned. Arachis. Stress on that first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Arachis. Stress on the first syllable. Make sure to insist on it. Arachis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.